Welcome to a new episode of AMETEK Connect. Today, I'm welcoming you to Reichert. Reichert is a 200-year-old business. They are global leaders in eye care and diagnostic equipment. And today we are going to meet some of our colleagues over here and see how passionate and dedicated they are to eye care.
So routine monitoring and screening with devices such as our Vera and our Ocular Response Analyzer help clinicians to get a full picture of the eye health and make treatment decisions for patients and ensure retention of sight and preservation in the future. Of course, our phoropter became the standard of care to measure refractive error and correction. Everyone has sat in front of that device and been asked, better one, better two.
Indeed, indeed.
Continuous improvement and innovation is part of our DNA here. We think that everyone in Reichert, we encourage everybody to provide ideas right across the company to help our products, to help us improve, make our products, and we try to bring the very best innovation to our customers. We think that's what keeps us really as a global leader in this industry.
You do such an important job going out there and in your labs repairing equipment.
I feel very happy when I fix unit. I feel like I help the community to help divisions.
Yes, it must be very fulfilling, and you see the impact right away.
I'm so glad to work in this company and part of this team.
And what do you think the future brings?
Reichert has a wealth of knowledge, so I would say continuous learning and being able to work with my colleagues to be able to bring the next innovative device to the world. I'm really excited about that.
And this concludes our time at AMETEK Reichert. I thank you all, our colleagues, for the great work they do. I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you at the next episode of AMETEK Connect. Ciao!